Hey, what's going on, everyone? Neil Henderson here from Clearview Plastics in Sacramento, California. And today I'm excited to show you a new type of product that we've got coming out here at Clearview Plastics. And it's going to be for kind of more commercial and industrial uses. We're making basically safety enclosures it could be for a wide variety of machinery, from 3D printers to testing equipment to basically making a fume hood for labs, for schools, for industrial settings, and we can custom make these. We make these right here in Sacramento, California, and we can make them to whatever size that you need, whatever layout that you need. And here's an example of kind of what I'm talking about. Check this out. Okay, so here is an example of our newest line of enclosures at Clearview Plastics. This is our commercial grade and industrial grade safety enclosure. We custom make these with different layouts, different sizes, different options. This one in particular is about 7 feet long, 32 inches deep, 32 inches tall. And it sports 2 French doors, double access doors. We're about to ship this out, so we don't have the handles on it at this time, but you can see they're magnetically latched, hinged on both sides there, and so you get some nice views. It's got paper masking on there for protection while it ships, so you can't quite see inside of it. But as you can see, we frame these out with aluminum extrusion, and we can cut basically any layout inside the panels. We've got about a 500 part catalog to do different options with these, and so we can make the door different sizes. We can do different styles of doors, whether it might be like a single swing and even slide out doors. And then on the side here, just to show you some additional options, here we've got some intake filters. So this is going to be used in a lab that the air going in needs to be clean as well. And then on the back here, we've got some ports for wire management. And so for those, we actually plug these with these 3D printed grommets. We 3D print a lot of parts here. And so then that way you really kind of minimize the amount of air going in or exchange through there. And then up on top here, that's where they're going to be hooking up their HVAC system. So we've got a port that is matching the hose that they need for their HVAC system. On the side here, we have another HEPA filter on the bottom there. And so that's the basic idea. If you guys have a particular layout that you need, if you have a particular size that you need, come on and visit us over at clearviewplastic.com. Send us a message and we'll get you a quote to get something built for you. Thanks. And so again, this is an enclosure system that we've developed that is designed for commercial and industrial use. We can make our enclosures much bigger this way. We can do different layouts. We can kind of do different purposes. Like I said, we've got this huge parts catalog that we can do a lot of customization. We've made these enclosures for a wide variety of users. We've got our hobbyist line, and then we've got more of a commercial and industrial grade line that you see here. We've worked with many different schools in different settings, from lab settings to even just library settings. And then we've also worked with Fortune 500 companies. We've worked with all branches of the U.S. military, and basically making it so that a workspace is a safe place to use a 3D printer, and now other machines as well. So if you have a machine that needs to be covered up for safety purposes or just for protection, reach out to us. Our website is clearviewplastic.com. You can email us, give us an idea of what you're looking for. If you have a layout in mind and a size in mind, that's a great start, and we can kind of help you walk through the process to kind of get this all basically fitted up and get you what you need. So again, my name is Neil Henderson. I'm the owner over here. Feel free to reach out to me and we'll chat soon. Thanks. Bye.